Hello everyone, welcome back to my Informatica training channel. This is the continuation class on Informatica Power Center architecture. Today I am going to talk about scaling and grid processing. Scalability is the ability of a system or application to handle growing amount of work in an efficient way. Let me give you an example. Today Informatica processes 2 GB of data in 2 hours. Tomorrow, data volume grows to 100 GB. It will take 5 hours to process 100 GB of data. If data volume grows in that fashion, then sometime in future it would happen. Informatica will take months time to process 1 day worth of data. This is not at all desired or acceptable. Applications should be scalable enough to process any volume of data within limited time frame. Informatica Power Center can be scaled in two ways, horizontally and vertically. Vertical scaling means adding more resources to a machine. Adding resources means adding extra CPU, more hard disk, and adding more memory. Horizontal scaling means adding new machine to existing framework. Horizontal scaling does not have any limitation. You can add n number of machines in Informatica Power Center domain. Let me give you an example how horizontal scaling improves the performance of ETL process. You run 30 different workflows in a single machine. It takes more time to complete all workflow runs since single machine has limited capability and workflows have to wait as per availability of resource within a machine. Now you run same 30 workflows using 3 different machines. Then it would obviously take lesser time to complete all workflows as 3 machines altogether have more resources than a single machine. In this case, each machine runs 10 workflows. So earlier 30 workflows run using a single machine, but due to horizontal scaling, now each machine runs only 10 workflows. So at a time, on an average, 3 workflows run concurrently rather than 1. That's how horizontal scaling improves the performance of ETL operation. Till now, we have seen a workflow runs in a single machine. Now question comes to our mind that, is there any way to run different tasks within a workflow in different machines? Answer is yes. Informatica Power Center is not only horizontally scalable but also uses grids to run different tasks of a workflow concurrently in different machines. Grids maximize the parallelism in workflow or session run. Now question comes to our mind, what is grid? In simple terms, grid is logical collection of nodes. A grid is an alias assigned to a group of nodes that allows you to automate the distribution of workflow and session across nodes. Let me explore a bit now. Let's say this 3 machine is not part of grid. 3 machine runs 3 different integration service 1, IS2 and IS3. At a given point of time, same integration service will be running only on one node. So IS1 is running in node 1, so it cannot be running in node 2 and node 3 since nodes are not part of grid. If nodes form a grid, then same integration service will be running in 3 nodes. In that case, if you run a workflow, then different tasks of the workflow will be executed parallelly by same integration server running in different nodes. If we configure a session to run on grid, then different thread of the session will be running on different nodes. So simply grid maximize the concurrent run. That's all for now. In this class, I have covered only basic of grid. How to configure grids to run workflow or session will be part of some other class in this channel. Please drop me a mail if you need clarification on this session. As usual, don't hesitate to drop me a mail to informatica.training007@gmail.com if you want to take training on Informatica. Thanks for watching this video.